Do I really need 3 monitors? That's a question a lot of users ask us, and I would argue yes. In this setup, we have 3 monitors, 2 external monitors plus the laptop. And you'll see here that generally there's 2 monitors plus the laptop. In my case, I also have a dock in between managing the connection. You could do the same thing or similar thing with 2 monitors and a desktop as well. And the reason that I recommend this is that we definitely have the ability to run many different programs at the same time and see them at the same time, which is big. Normally I might have my Microsoft Teams open for meetings, nice kind of reference certain things while doing, let's say, an online meeting. On top of that, as you can see here, we have so many different browsers as well as different applications, let's say for coding or just opening up Word documents, text documents, stuff like that. And the main thing to notice is that some people get confused or they're worried about having this. The main point is that you can use the Windows key with the arrow buttons on your keyboard to actually tell the windows where you want them to go. So what we can do is we can just click on this window and we can go, the right arrow will snap it to the nearest location, right arrow will bring it down to the bottom screen, right arrow again kind of puts it in the middle, then it locks it, so on and so forth. So we can go all the way across, and then even when we get to the end we can press the right arrow again and it'll just kick it over to the very left of the left screen. So pretty awesome. And then you can also press the Windows key down to kind of shrink it, and then Windows key down again to completely minimize, or Windows key up to bring it back and back up. So really powerful, and you get kind of this type of selection too. You can kind of click and move apps around. So really convenient and assists with productivity. Please subscribe and like this video, share with your friends, and make sure to check back, and we're going to have many more videos like this to help you out. Thanks. Bye-bye.